Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone or duplicate apps on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is swipe up and open up your settings. There are two different ways to be able to clone or duplicate those apps. The first option is to scroll down until you find the option that says Advanced Features. Tap on that. And now within your Android or Samsung phone, you'll be able to see here Dual Messenger. If you tap on that, it gives you some available apps that you can automatically duplicate and have a different login on each of those separate apps. So let's say WhatsApp. I wanted two different versions of WhatsApp. I can turn this on and hit install. And just like that, if I swipe up, there is WhatsApp, the dual one, and then there is the original one. I can open up either one and from there be able to sign into two different accounts. However, you'll be able to see within your settings, it doesn't give you the option to do it across every app. If you don't see the app on this list, there's another way to do it. All we need to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to security and privacy. Tap on that. And then from here, let's scroll down until we get to more security settings and tap on that. Now from here, we're going to use a secure folder to duplicate that app. So tap on secure folder and we'll go through the process of setting it up. So just hit continue and more and next. And now it will create that secure folder for you. After you're done creating that secure folder, you need to set a pin. So I'm just going to use 1111 here and continue and then enter it again and hit OK. Oh, 1111 and hit OK. Now, after I've done that, all I need to do is hit the next button at the bottom and then hit next. And then finally hit done. You can see there's my secure folder. All I need to do is hit the little plus button. And then let's say I wanted two versions of Instagram. I can add the Instagram app and tap on add. And there is Instagram. Now, if I hop out of here, you'll be able to see there is the normal version of Instagram. But instead of that, I can open up the secure folder. I might need to enter in that passcode. And then I can open up Instagram on here and I can have it be a completely different version. I can be logged into a different account on those dual or cloned apps. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.